Hello everybody, welcome back to the tutorials, and this video I'll be showing you how to use generative fill and add anything or any object to your picture. So let's jump right into the video. First go to Adobe Express and just scroll down and you can see the generative fill option. Just click on generative fill and it will take some time to load and alright, so the image has been loaded, so let's wait a minute. Alright, for this let's add a maybe add a herbal flower. I think maybe right here. Alright, so let's add a herbal flower right here. And it will take some time to generate your image, and there you go. Alright, so let's go with maybe this one. Alright, so I think maybe with this one. So let's add and orange slice right as it was in the picture. Click on generate. I think this one's more nicer. Let's add a maybe the thing. I want to add another bottle behind this. Let's go up and go like this. This. Alright, add orange color bottle. And click on generate. Nice. So I think this is more better and nicer. So I'll just add another orange here. Add another orange. Orange slice. I think that this would be nicer if I add a kiwi slice. Yeah, a kiwi slice here for to blend in with the green color, and an orange with the orange bottle. Let's see. Okay, I think this is more nicer, and I'll select this area and try to replace this object. Okay guys, okay, so add kiwi slice. Good, I hope it gets better. Let's see. Yep, so I think this is much better, and it blends in with the green bottle. And let's add maybe a nice little background. All right. I don't think that the sky will blend in with this picture, but I'll just show you what you can do with generative fill. So I'll just give add a nice sky to blend in with the picture. Alright, click on generate. Oh, this is much better, right? Think this is much better, and I'll add maybe a strawberry. Or I got an idea, so I'll just add another bottle that goes with a strawberry. Alright, I think that's enough. Or maybe let's give another more. Add bottle at a maybe pink bottle with pink water in it. Click on generate. Alright, think this is much better, right? Oh, let's give another go. Add a small glass. Alright. Let's see, I hope this gets better. Nice. So I think this is much better and nicer. I'll just select this area a little bit and add a strawberry slice. It didn't get as I was expecting. Let's see. Let's see. I hope this gets better. Okay. Alright. So I think maybe could go with this and maybe this. So you can see that it's so much nicer. The picture looks so much nicer with the beginning, and this is the orange flavor and the kiwi and strawberry. Alright, so let's restore the image and I'll show you whatever difference I have created. So let's click on restore image. You can see that my last image was so much better. See, it gets so much better and it's filled very nicely, right? So much better right now, so much better. So I hope you got an idea about how to use generative fill in your day-to-day work. So see you in the next tutorial and bye.